Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Edgar's easy method for dominating in Brawl Stars. Edgar is a fast-paced assassin who thrives on quick engagements and high burst damage. Your primary goal is to surprise opponents and eliminate them before they can react. Always prioritize charging your super, as it is essential for initiating fights and escaping dangerous situations. Remember, patience is key. Wait for the perfect moment to strike and unleash Edgar's full potential on the battlefield. Mastering Edgar's super and gadget is crucial for success. His super lets you leap over walls, catching enemies off guard and closing the distance instantly. Once you land, immediately activate your hardcore gadget to gain a shield, absorbing up to 2,000 health for 3 seconds. This combination allows you to survive initial damage and secure eliminations. Always look for isolated targets or brawlers with low health to maximize your impact and maintain control of the match. Edgar's unique self-healing mechanic is central to his aggressive playstyle. He heals for 25% of all damage he deals, meaning the more you attack, the more health you recover. His main attack is a quick, 2-punch combo, allowing for rapid damage output and consistent healing. This makes him incredibly resilient in one-on-one encounters. However, be mindful not to dive into groups of high-health brawlers, as even Edgar's healing has its limits against overwhelming firepower. Optimal positioning is vital for Edgar. Always try to stay hidden in bushes, waiting for the perfect moment to pounce on unsuspecting enemies. Edgar shines against squishy brawlers such as throwers and sharpshooters who struggle to defend themselves up close. However, exercise caution against brawlers with high burst damage or strong crowd control abilities, as they can quickly shut you down. Remember to retreat if you are outnumbered or if your super is not charged, ensuring you live to fight another day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.